Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mindverse. Today we are exploring one of the most breathtaking events happening in our sky this year, something that excites stargazers, scientists, and dreamers alike. We talking about the rare planetary alignment of 2025. You might imagine planets lining up in a perfect straight row, but in reality it means that, from Earth's point of view, several planets gather in the same area of the sky, and when that happens, it creates a spectacle unlike anything else. The year 2025 is offering us one of those rare chances to see many of our neighboring worlds glowing together. Imagine stepping outside on a clear morning and spotting Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, and Mercury, all shining like jewels in the dawn sky. These alignments don't happen very often. Each planet has its own orbit and speed. Mercury whips around the Sun in only 88 days, while Saturn takes almost 30 years. Because of this difference, the chances of several planets appearing together from our viewpoint are rare. That's why when 5 or 6 planets align, it becomes a cosmic show worth remembering. Picture the scene. The horizon glows as the first light of morning breaks. Mercury appears just above the Sun's glow, a tiny but sharp point of light. Venus shines brilliantly above it, often mistaken for a beacon. Higher still, Mars glows faintly red, while Jupiter dominates with its massive brightness. Saturn, steady and golden, completes the picture. They form a line across the sky, like stepping stones leading toward infinity. To see them all at once is to see the solar system laid out before you, a reminder of how each world keeps moving in its eternal path. Throughout history, alignments have fascinated humanity. Ancient people saw them as signs from the gods, warnings of great change, or promises of fortune. Today we know they are natural results of orbital motion, yet they still feel magical. Science tells us these alignments do not affect human life in any physical way. The gravitational pull of these planets on Earth is tiny compared to the influence of the Moon, but emotionally, they affect us deeply. They inspire wonder, reflection, and curiosity about our place in the universe. Astronomers predict that one of the best alignments will happen in June 2025, when 6 planets will gather in the pre-dawn sky. Nearly half the solar system will be visible to the naked eye, and you don't even need a telescope. A clear horizon and patience are enough. Venus and Jupiter will shine so brightly that even city skies will not hide them. People across the globe will be able to watch the same dance of worlds, united by a shared view of the cosmos. So what does this alignment mean for us? Physically, it changes nothing. But symbolically it is powerful. Each dot of light is a real world, each with its own story. Mercury, closest to the Sun, scorched and airless. Venus shrouded in clouds and hotter than any oven. Mars, a dusty red desert that may once have been wet and alive. Jupiter, the giant with storms bigger than Earth. Saturn, wrapped in majestic rings. Seeing them aligned reminds us that we are part of a greater system, a cosmic family bound together by the Sun. Events like this also bring people together. From deserts to mountains, cities to coastlines, millions of people will look up at the same moment, sharing the same wonder. In that brief alignment, the divisions between us seem to fade, replaced by the simple truth that we all live under one sky. It is a unifying moment, where science meets spirituality, and imagination stretches across the universe. For scientists, these alignments are opportunities. Amateur astronomers prepare telescopes, photographers capture dazzling images, and educators use the event to spark curiosity. Children who witness the alignment may grow up inspired to study the stars, to explore, to dream bigger. Just as ancient alignments inspired calendars and myths, modern ones inspire rockets, telescopes, and missions to new worlds. The timing of this alignment is special. In 2025, our exploration of the solar system is at its peak. Rovers explore Mars, probes study asteroids, telescopes scan the depths of the cosmos. When you look up at this alignment, you're not just seeing distant lights, you're seeing destinations humanity has visited, and others we may someday reach. The alignment becomes not just a show, but a symbol of how far we've come and how far we might go. And while there is no physical danger in a planetary alignment, there is immense emotional impact. To stand under the night sky and watch planets gather is to feel both small and significant. Small because we realize the universe is vast and we are tiny. Significant because we have the awareness to see it, to understand it, and to feel awe in its presence. That combination is uniquely human, and it is why moments like these matter. So when the alignment of 2025 happens, don't miss it. Set your alarm. Step outside before sunrise. Look to the horizon. Watch as 6 planets rise in unison, painting a line across the sky. Let yourself feel wonder. Let yourself dream. Think of the billions of years these planets have orbited, and how for a fleeting moment they align just so that we can see them together. That is the gift of the cosmos, a reminder that we are part of something timeless, something beautiful, something worth looking up for. Because in the end, planetary alignments aren't just about the planets, they're about us. They're about our curiosity, our longing to connect, and our ability to see beauty in the universe. They remind us to keep exploring, to keep asking questions, and to keep dreaming of what lies beyond. And that is why the rare planetary alignment of 2025 will be more than just an event in the sky. It'll be a moment of wonder for anyone who takes the time to look.